Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber, 2024 new full-body IPX7 waterproof bathroom scrubber with power LCD display, adjustable extension handle, cordless electric cleaning brush for bathroom, kitchen cleaning. Save time and effort. Upgraded electric spin scrubber cordless gets rid of the troubles caused by traditional cleaning tools. It can be used anywhere you want. This spin scrubber is super lightweight and very easy to pick up and use to clean surfaces without getting tired and drastically reduce your work time from 1 hour to 30 minutes. Powerful and efficiency. The internal motor drives the rotating brush head to rotate at a high speed up to 450 RPM plus or minus 10%, can help you easily clean your entire house, especially when used with a cleaning agent. It can quickly clean stubborn stains and make entire house look new. 2 adjustable speed and IPX7 waterproof. You can easily clean your entire house in one fell swoop with this cleaning brush. It's set as 2 working speeds, low speed, 350 RPM/min, 2, high speed, 450 RPM/min. What you need to do is press the on/off button once. Thanks for watching and subscribe.